Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will do miscellaneous exercise for chapter 2. Okay, in this video, we will discuss question number 1 to 6 and 6 to 12 we will discuss in the next video. Okay, so let's discuss question number 1. The function f is defined by fx is equals to this. Means x square when x lies between 0 and 3 and 3x between 3 to x. Okay, so the function fx is behaving like that. Here fx is equals to x square is well defined. This function is well defined for x lies between 0 and 3. Okay, when x lies between 0 and 3, the function is well defined. X square is given. Also, fx is equals to 3x is well defined for x lies between 3 and 10. Okay, but we have to check that this is a function or not. Okay, so you can observe that this function is defined for 0 to 3 and this function is defined for 3 to 10. Okay, so there is the breakage point. We have to check at x is equals to 3. Okay, we will check the values at x is equals to 3. If these are equal on both the cases, then this is a function. Otherwise, this will not be a function. Okay, so at x is equals to 3. If x is equals to 3, if I take this function, fx is equals to x square. So f of 3 will be 3 square, which is 9. Okay. Also, fx is equals to 3x. If we put 3 in this function, we will get 9. So, in both the cases, we are getting same value. So, this fx is a function. So, fx is a function. In case if we get different values, so this will not be a function. Okay, so let's discuss second function gx. Okay, gx is equals to x square is well defined in this interval. Okay, also gx is equals to 3x is well defined in this interval. Okay, but at x is equals to 2, at x is equals to 2, g of x is equals to x square. If we put x is equals to 2 here, we will get 2 square, which is 4. Okay, also if we take second function, okay, gx is equals to 3x and we will put x is equals to 2 here. So g of 2 is equals to 3 into 2, which will be 6. Here 4 is not equals to 6, means they are giving different values. So g of x is not a function. This is not a function. So here fx is a function because at 3 it is giving same values, and gx is not a function because at the breakage point they are giving different values. Let's discuss question number 2. fx is equals to x square is given. We have to find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. First of all, we will find the value of f of 1.1. Simply, we will put the value in this. So, this will be 1.1 square. So, what will be the value of this? 1.1 means 11 square. Okay, 11 by 10 square. So, this will be 121 by 100. So, this will be 1.21. Okay. I hope you all know that how you can find the square of decimals. Okay. So, f of 1 is equals to 1 square, which is equals to 1. Okay. Now, we have to find the value of f of 1.1 minus f of 1 over 1.1 minus 1. Okay. So, f of 1.1 is 1.21 and f of 1 is 1. 1.1 minus 1 will be 0.1. Okay. So, this will be 0.21 over 0.1. So this will be 21 by 100 into 10 by 1. So this will be 2.1. So this will be your answer. Next question is we have to find the domain of this function. Okay. What is the function? Here fx is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 12. First of all, we will simplify this. We know that this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So, using identity, we will write it like that. X plus 1 whole square. Okay. And if we factorize this like that, x square plus 8x plus 12. Okay. If we split the middle term to get product 12 and addition 8, we will use plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. Okay. So if we take x as common, so this will be x plus 6 plus 2 as common, we will get x plus 6. Okay. Here minus 8 is given. Okay. So we have to write minus 6 and minus 2. Okay. So this will be, if we get minus common, we will get this. So factors will be x minus 6 and x minus 2. Okay. So we will write x minus 6 and x minus 2. Okay. So students, here this is a numerator and this is denominator, and we know that in a rational number this is defined only when denominator is not equals to 0. Okay. So this function is defined only when x minus 6 is not equals to 0 and x minus 2 is also not equals to 0. Implies x is not equals to 6 and x is not equals to 2. Okay. So domain of f is equals to those x such that x belongs to reals and x is not equals to 2 and 6. This will be the domain of this particular function. Also we can write it like that. X belongs to reals minus 2 and 6. So let's discuss about question number 4. We have to find the domain and range of real function defined by this. Fx is equals to root of x minus 1 is given. Okay. So we all know that square root of non-negative is not defined. Okay. So this function fx is not defined when x minus 1 is less than 0. Okay. Implies x is less than 1. Okay, this function is not defined for x is less than 1. So what will be the domain? Domain will be those x such that x are reals and x is greater than or equals to 0. Now, what about range? To find range, we will put fx is equals to y. Okay. So what is fx? This is root of x minus 1 which is equals to y. Implies x minus 1 is equals to y square, implies x is equals to y square plus 1. Okay. So we can observe that this is always greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Because x is greater than equals to 0. If we put x is equals to 0, so this will not defined. If we put x is equals to 1, this will gives us 0. Okay. So range of f will be all y such that y belongs to reals and value of y will be always greater than equals to 0. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the domain and range of real function defined by fx is equals to modulus of x minus 1. Okay. So function is here fx is equals to modulus of x minus 1. This is defined for all real numbers. So what will be the domain? So domain of f will be all the real numbers. Okay. That is all x such that x belongs to reals. Now what about range? We know that modulus function always acquire non-negative values, non-negative real values. So fx is equals to x minus 1 acquires only non-negative real values. Okay. So what will be the range of f? Range of f will be all the positive real numbers. Okay. For 6, let f is equals to this be a function from R to R. Determine the range of f. Okay. Here function is given of this type like x and y. Okay. So function is x square over 1 plus x square. So let y is equals to fx is equals to x square over 1 plus x square. Okay. We can easily observe that this will be always positive. If we put x is equals to minus 1, this will be minus 1 square over 1 plus minus 1 square. This will be 1 over 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. Okay. If we put any negative real number, any negative value, it will also gives us a positive number. So, fx is positive for all values of x. Okay. When x is equals to 0, if you put x is equals to 0, we will get 0 over 1 plus 0, which will be 0 over 1, which is 0. Okay. If you put x is equals to 0, we will get y is equals to 0. Or if you put any real value, any positive or negative value, we will get the numbers between 0 and 1, and 0 is also included. So range of f will be those y such that y belongs to reals and y lies between 0 and 1. So students, that's all about this lecture. In the next video we will do all questions of miscellaneous exercise. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.